In this scenario, we'll see how business process management from IBM can help achieve significant competitive advantage and differentiation in typical property and casualty insurance processes. John is the Director of Sales at Open Insurance, a personal property and casualty insurer. He checks the status of the latest marketing campaign for a new auto insurance product. He notices that the number of hits to the website is on target, but only 20% of the applications are completed on the website. The rest are going to the call center. This is a problem because it's not set up for that kind of volume and it has a higher cost of acquisition. John's concerns are confirmed by the average call wait time, which is exceeding 2 minutes, and a high rate of calls abandoned. John asks his staff to figure out why so many people abandon the application process online and overload the call center. There are 2 problems. Some customers need more information than the website provides. Others have difficulty completing the application online. In both cases, they turn to the call center for help. The campaign aimed to attract new customers through the website, Open's preferred route. While his staff correct the website problems, John needs temporary extra call capacity before the abandonment rate can do real harm to Open's business. First, he diverts excess calls to a third-party call center. In the meantime, his staff uses the information gathered to update the website, add frequently asked questions, and revise the application. Then he checks his dashboard again. The call volume is still high, but already the wait times are under 30 seconds and trending lower. The next day, the website changes are in place. He'll monitor his dashboard so that as soon as the call volumes return to normal, he can stop rerouting calls. Additionally, he'll be monitoring website hits and applications completed online for any other issues. Business Process Management from IBM, or BPM, gives John real-time visibility into this process. He can monitor his key performance indicators on a dashboard customized for his specific role and receive alerts for potential issues. In this case, John was alerted early to customer problems on the website that overloaded the call center process. He was able to make the right corrective decision quickly, before Open could lose new business. This ability to move fast and decisively is crucial in a competitive environment where customers and agents expect ever higher levels of service and ease of doing business. Agents and customers can take their business elsewhere if Open can't meet their expectations. Meeting her customers' expectations is what concerns Sally, Director of Underwriting. Her key performance indicators have shown a worrying trend over the last few weeks. Net new premiums written has been decreasing, and the number of applications that are withdrawn or not completed is on the rise. She's unsure of the cause, but she's expecting that the latest agent and customer satisfaction survey will give her some insights. There's a common theme throughout the survey. No matter which channel they use, Open's agents and customers want to do business more easily. They want more visibility of their application as it's processed, and they want processing to complete sooner. It's clear to Sally that she needs to improve the process throughout. Sally meets with business analyst Denise and IT manager Kevin to discuss how they might streamline and simplify the process. They agree on 4 business objectives: to automate as much of the process as possible, make the manual steps more manageable, reduce redundancy and exception processing, and conform fully to compliance standards. Most importantly, Sally is insistent that the changes are made much faster than the months it's taken in the past, for she knows that once customers go elsewhere, it's harder to win them back. To help her meet these objectives, Denise and Kevin are using BPM. BPM from IBM is based on both BPM and SOA principles, which focus on business-level services, functional building blocks that can be deployed flexibly to help build innovative new applications quickly and efficiently. Kevin and Denise are confident that with BPM from IBM, they can meet all of Sally's objectives, including schedule. Previously, a change like this would take months, often up to a year. With BPM from IBM, it can be implemented in days or even hours. BPM from IBM offers a range of capabilities to help with the different aspects of the project. Model and simulate the new process. Rapidly deploy and change the process. Monitor and optimize the process. Create and share or reuse process components. Gain visibility and management over the end-to-end process, as well as each component. Denise has documented the as-is underwriting process in Visio. She notes that an application or submission for insurance can come from several different channels, from a web portal, an agency management system, or by mail. So there's scope for eliminating redundancy. And there are many manual steps where automation is possible. For instance, Open has automated services that can be used to streamline processing of the paper application. Scanning the application enables further automated data extraction and analysis. Reducing manual input from different agents streamlines the process and increases the accuracy of information captured. BPM from IBM can import process flows from popular tools like Visio and PowerPoint, so Denise can now use the BPM tool to build a dynamic model of the new process. Denise replaces groups of manual steps with new automated steps to be assembled from existing services. As she works, she validates the changes with stakeholders to ensure buy-in to the new process. Then she uses the model to simulate and optimize the process. With only a few manual steps remaining, she's delighted that the process cycle time has reduced by half. She can also see that the weighted average cost for a completed application is at least 12% lower. Sally immediately approves the new process so Kevin and his team can start to deploy it. They assemble the automated steps from standard services with the model defining the way that the whole process is coordinated and managed automatically as it runs. By using BPM from IBM, Kevin and Denise can eliminate many of the time-consuming steps in implementing a new business process. This makes it much easier for IT to work effectively with business people, who can be directly involved with defining and optimizing exactly what they need. And because the process is model-driven, it can be changed very quickly and easily, giving the flexibility and responsiveness that Open's customers had asked for. With the new underwriting process deployed, Sally can monitor its performance on her dashboard. Now she can be proactive rather than reactive. She can visualize process changes to anticipate different situations in the future, and she'll be better prepared to manage market changes as they occur. Sally's boss, Tom, reports to the EVP of Underwriting. Tom has just been to a meeting to understand board strategies for the coming year. He's been put on a committee to formulate a plan for penetration of both emerging markets and a new line of business. After reviewing the results of Sally's flexible and optimized new business process, he realizes he can harvest those best practices and leverage them into both growth areas in more rapid time. He can beat the competition to the punch. Furthermore, he sees where he can plug and play innovative new point solutions or services dependent upon each market's need. BPM from IBM makes it easier for insurance companies to define, manage, and monitor important measurable objectives and target them using key performance indicators. Companies can adapt and respond rapidly to changing conditions with actionable insights and deploy valuable skills more effectively. Open Insurance found that BPM from IBM allows them to make better decisions faster, streamline, harvest, and reuse their core processes, and reduce risk through valuable process insights. These benefits translate immediately to increased ease of doing business and stronger top and bottom lines. Open is perfectly positioned to leapfrog their competition. To learn about BPM from IBM, visit ibm.com/software/innovate.